Yeah, baby. Look. 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 You don't have to worry about depreciation on this stunning 2009 Kia Sportage. The guy before you got it all. What a guy. With plenty of passenger room, you won't have to worry about being cramped when it's more than just you in the SU5. Advertised offers not in conjunction with any other promotional offer or with each other. Advertised price excludes tax, title, license, registration, filing, and documentary fees. All payments and incentives are with approved credit 740 plus credit score. Payments to purchase based on 35% of advertised price cash down or trade equity, 2009 to 2012 model year, 3.99% APR, 75 months, payment and term total note, 2008 model year, 3.99% APR, 72 months, payment and term total note, 2007 model year, 3.50% APR, 66 months.